This is a special night. We've got Owen and Claire. Where are we going, guys? Eskimo Olympics. This is the last night. It's when they do all the awards. I hope they still have some events going on because we haven't seen a thing yet. The Carlson Center. If you remember, Owen and I went to a hockey game in this same building this winter. When you come to Alaska, you have to go to a hockey game, so it was awesome. I don't know what the Eskimo Olympics is all about, but I'm gonna learn as you learn. I've just heard they've had some really cool events, things you've never seen before. Goes around. I think they're done talking and something's gonna happen now. I don't know what. There's some cool stuff. I hope. I promise. Well, I shouldn't promise. I've never been here. Here's what's going on. We've got the one kick, I can't remember the exact name, it's Canadian rules that are gonna go out. They have to jump off of 2 feet, kick the ball with 1 foot, and then land on only that 1 foot that they kick the ball with and have good balance. Whatever people can't do at the certain height, they're out, and then they move the ball up higher, 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 higher.
This is our world record holder right here.
9 foot 9 inches is that what that world record that guy has? That is, a basketball hoop is 10 feet tall. That's 3 inches short of a basketball hoop that he kicks. Wow. And he's on that guy with green shoes. Who do you think's gonna win on the men?
I don't know.
I think the green shoes guy is gonna win. The first male goes down. You have 3 tries. He missed it. So we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 guys left. All right, those 2 that we picked out earlier, the green shoes and then the world record holder, they are the final 2 men. World record holder has missed 2, but he seemed pretty nonchalant about it. I think he's got to focus a little bit more and hit this, because he can do it for sure. He got it. He just wasn't focused. He can get so much higher than that. That was stressful. He was almost out. That was the second attempt for green shoes. If he misses this next one, world record holder gets a chance to hit it. And if the world record holder hits it on one of his 3 tries, game over. That guy wins. That's it. It's his chance to win it. Eskimo leg kick. That's it. It's the champ. Let's go get a snack. All right, we just got some snacks and we're heading back out. The next thing up is the blanket toss. Now the blanket toss is interesting because it's based off of the Eskimos back when they lived on, maybe they still live there, on the ice, and there's no mountains, and they needed to be able to see far out, so they put somebody on a blanket and they would throw them in the air. That way they could see like what's out there. You throw somebody up in the air really high, then they can look out and go, oh yeah, we need to go that way. That's what I hear at least. So I want to see this one. How high do they throw them? I don't know. So this group is from the Aleutian Islands, which is like way out there, like almost to Russia. Kind of interesting. I guess the tattoos on the women's faces are their family lineage on their mother's side of things. interesting. And they're catching a flight back to those islands as soon as this is over. So this is a big deal. Like, they're super nervous talking, and they even said that on the microphone. It's the first time they've ever been here. Maybe, quite possibly, this is the biggest group of people that these people have ever seen in their life. Like, honestly, I'm not sure, but pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Come on down to the floor, be a part of it. Be able to experience what it's like to be a part of the blanket toss. I'm going to bring the gloves on out. We're going to need about 52 pullers. It's basically one hand per loop.
They were pretty high. That's cool. That's cool. Ninja Warrior, but he's like known as the Eskimo Ninja Warrior. That was smooth. That was a smooth backflip. All that I called him on the camera is world record holder. Tell me your real name.
Tim Field.
Tim Field. Are you originally from Alaska?
Yeah, I grew up in Norvik, Alaska. Actually, it's a small town all the way up north.
Okay, Norvik, Alaska. We're gonna put a map to it here because I have no idea where that is other than northern, but. Okay, small town. Now you live in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Yes, lived in Las Vegas for the last 3.5 years, actually.
So 2013, you were the record holder. How many years have you won this?
I've won this every time I compete, actually. Yeah. The last time I lost was, I think, middle school.
Middle school? Yeah, that was fun. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep.
Have a good one.
All right, we saw so much stuff here. That was cool to talk to Tim. He's the champ. He is the world champ. And he also told me that he's an MMA fighter and a boxer. And that's what he's doing in Vegas right now. He's training for that. The dude is rich. I hope that you enjoyed seeing this. Claire, what's your final thoughts on this day? Has it been fun?
Yeah.
Do you want to come back to the Olympic Games?
Yes.
Owen, did you have fun? From Alaska, and they said they want to be on the YouTube channel. Say something cool. Hi. Bye.
I love cutting stuff open.
Oh, you do? All right.
I love your channel.
Thanks. Bye, girls.
I love you.
See ya.
Bye. One.